Hey everyone! Today we are checking out these 91-quart stackable storage bins from IRISUSA. These durable containers are proudly made in the USA, using high-quality and safe materials. The transparent design lets you see exactly what is inside without ever opening the lid. You can easily stack these bins to maximize every inch of your closet or office space. A handy pull handle and secure buckles make accessing your items from high shelves very simple. These containers are BPA-free and acid-free to keep all your belongings safe and protected. Their smart tapered design allows for easy nesting when you are not using them for storage. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.